Hi everyone, welcome to our week number 7, which we will cover in module 7. This week you are to read chapters 13 and 14 within our textbook. 13 covers using documentation for child abuse suspicions, and some of the suspicions that are covered are neglect, physical abuse, sexual abuse, emotional maltreatment, and then talks about mandated reporters, which most of us are, and by law we must report our suspicions. And it also talks about our responsibilities as a mandated reporter. And then chapter 14 dives into using program assessments to look at children within groups. It talks about reasons to assess your program, observing the setting of your program. Also talks about accreditations, which like QRIS and other accreditations, NACCE accreditations. It will also cover DAP, which is developmentally appropriate practices of curriculum. Talks about DAP curriculum, which there's a few that I can think of, which is Montessori, High Scope, project approach. That's just to name a few, but your book actually will cover a little bit more about than those. Make sure to review the PowerPoints located in Module 7. And to be successful within this week, there's a few things you need to do. First thing is locate a peer to review your observation number 3. The rubric is located within Module 7. This needs to be, to me, completed by March 28th at 11:59 p.m. That's the deadline. So you will submit the peer review that you conducted on a student within our class for your review points. You will also receive participation points for this week by doing this. The peer review is worth 10 points, and then you get your participation points as well. And on the observation rubric form, you will write the creator's name, like whose observation is this, and then you will also write your peer reviewed by, and then your name. You are the one that's going to turn this in for these points. The one that you actually, whoever does yours will turn yours in that they completed on your observation for their points. When you receive yours back, you will make corrections on your own observation based on these findings from your peer, and then submit your observation with all the videos attached for credit by March 30th, 11:59 p.m. Again, you need to make sure instead of all of the information that we normally submit, like our notes and so forth, from the observation 1 and 2, how you submit all those, you're going to submit videos along with your notes. But this is giving me proof that from what your observation is coming from. So again, remember we talked about that. You can use children from friends or family members, or you can find videos online. But I need you to attach the videos you find online, and I need you to videotape your observation of family and friends, whoever you choose, and submit both of those types of videos for credit. So this week, again, you are going to read your chapters 13 and 14. You're going to take your quizzes for chapter 13 and 14, which are 10 points each, and they are due March 27th by 11:59 p.m. And then your actual observation is due by the 30th of March. So your peer post is due by the 28th. You'll have enough time to review it, make your corrections, and then submit your actual paper on or by the 30th. And then also in Module 7, you have a study guide for your final. The final exam is for the chapters. I will show you right here. Well, it's in our Module 7, and it's for chapters 8 through 15. Let me go ahead and show you that really quick, where you're going to find that. We are in Module 7. You also have videos to review, so make sure you review your videos, your quizzes, and then here is your final study guide. You'll click on that and it'll give you terms and so forth that you need to know for your final. Now your final, since we're not meeting in class any longer, your final will be taken and due by April 3rd. So you'll have your guide in front of you, you'll have your book, you'll have other access, and you'll be taking that online, and that is due on the 3rd. So right now, let's worry about our observation number 3, and then we'll dive into the final later on. If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email. Again, please stay safe, and remember you're supposed to stay at least 6 feet away from others. If you're homebound, please just stay safe, and I'll talk to you all soon. Take care. Bye.